Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about CPA network offers. This is completely free for you to sign up. I'm going to show you how you can make money with this. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. So again, we're going to talk about CPA network offers. I have a new CPA network that you can join. Like I said, it's completely free. This was created by Wayne Crow, and if you don't know who he is, very successful internet marketer. He sells solo ads and very, very successful, and these are great solo ads. But let's get back to the CPA network offers. So if you don't know what a CPA offer is, it's cost per acquisition. So you promote a link to your list, or you buy a solo ad or do some sort of free marketing, and then when the customer takes an action, like maybe just puts in their name and email, or they buy a small offer. The one that I sold was like a $7 offer, and then I got $30. So it's just a small action that they take, and then the CPA network will pay you for a customer taking that action. So let me log in here. Now I had not been promoting this much. I sent one email out to my list, and I found out the other day when I logged in here I'd made $30. So I wanted to share with you some high converting offers in here, and like I said, it's completely free to sign up. So I'll leave a link in the description below the video. You can sign up to get your own links. So when we come in here, you can see I made $30, and I found out it was an offer that the customer purchased $7 front-end offer on this funnel, and it was marketing with George Wickens. So you can see offer converts on $7, and we'll take a look at what the landing page looks like. It's really good. This offer does convert. I know he does very, very well, George Wickens. So this is a really good offer to promote. And you can see all you need to do is just click on the offer, and here you already have your tracking link. You can generate a tiny URL, impression pixel, share a link on Twitter. So let's go back to the offers, and you can see they pay out anywhere from 80 cents, I think this is probably for a lead, all the way up to, we have $85, $300, $250. So you can see there's a lot of great CPA offers in here. And I was inquiring, like, how do you get paid out? They do pay twice a month, is what my affiliate manager said, bi-monthly. And if you don't have PayPal, they pay through Payoneer and bank transfer. Payoneer, you have to have 300 minimum threshold, and bank transfer 500 minimum threshold. But she also told me some top converting offers besides the one that I was telling you about. So let's look at them. 1921. So 19 is going to be my home cash club, and that's going to pay you $50. Actually, let's go back here and click on it and see what kind of... Okay, so if they purchase the $37, you'll get paid $50. And then they'll tell you any notes here. These are the countries you want to promote to. No incentive. Okay, so that's another great one besides George Wickens. It's 19 and then 21. Cash money sites, and that is going to pay you $43. So let's take a look at that one. This one says converts like crazy. These are the countries. So this is what the offer looks like. So that's the second one. What else did we say? 1921-28. It's going to be Steal My System, and that pays $52. And then there's a sales page on that one. And then the last one was, she said, converted really well, was 33. And that pays you $17. And that offer converts on $2 CTC. So that looks like that one would be really good to promote as well. So there's really 5 that I would say this looks like a really good sales page. So if they just get the $2 trial, you get paid $17. And then again, I really like George Wickens because you get paid $30 for that. And all I have to do is get the $7 front-end offer on that one. And again, let's take a look. I really like the landing page because they go through and they answer questions, and I think that converts really, really well. So those are 5 offers that you can promote inside of Traffic Domination Network. Again, all you have to do is just click on the offer, and that'll take you to your link. And I would recommend, of course, you can do all kinds of free advertising. I would say get a solo ad. I'm going to leave some links in the description below the video to some good solo ad providers that I have good success with. You can try out these offers and see how they convert, but I think this is a great way for you to make some money. Of course, you can, if you want to do free marketing, let's say you have a YouTube channel and you want to change out your #1 offer in the description below your video, you can test these out, kind of rotate them through and see which ones convert the best. But I highly recommend this Traffic Domination Network for CPA network offers. I think it's a really good network. And again, it's free to sign up. I'll just look in the description below. I'll have a link that you can sign up. So I hope you guys found some value from this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. So with that being said, this is Karen Mayo signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.